it had grown cold forever, the love I held for you in the past. I used to think they had completely faded away, all those beautiful memories of our yesteryears. But whenever I catch a glimpse of your face, every single memory comes rushing back anew. Even now that you are married to another, my old flame, I still find it so hard to forget you. Destiny and marriage have pulled us apart. Even when we meet, we can no longer whisper words of love. Have you been doing well, my old flame? Oh, my old flame. This is the only question I dare to ask you, though my heart remains completely broken and unfulfilled. This is the only thing I will keep asking you. Back when we bloomed together and were so happy, separation did not suit us at all.